This is Pink Sister and Diamond Lady's channel, and here is Diamond Lady speaking. Diamond Lady in the house. Ooh, ooh. So today we're going to share with you our yellow courgette spaghetti. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned. So I turned out to be a farmer again here in England after trying to cultivate these courgettes in this little veg truck they call it, and I have already cut about 4 of these large courgettes out of it, and you can see there are so many other courgettes on there. There are some male flowers on there anyway, and I could see the pollinators are work, and I love it when they do this. So these courgettes are very delicious, and courgette can be classed as a veggie or a fruit. It is mainly a fruit. These are some of the crops in my veg truck. I will tell you all about these in another video another day. So I'm going to cut my yellow courgette or zucchini, just as the Americans call it, and that is what I'm going to use for my recipe. It looks very lovely, isn't it? And it looks lovely out there as well. I love that view at the back there. So back in the kitchen, I've already washed the courgette. This is like a sharpener I've got in hand. It is for making the spiral. So I'm trying to make these courgettes into thin slices, just like the way spaghetti looks like, or should I say noodles, how they look like. This sharpener, I really love it, and it does a lot of good. Whilst I'm doing this, I'm going to give you a bit information about courgette. So with courgettes, it is very healthy, and it helps with digestion. It's also rich in nutrients, and it does promote healthy blood sugar levels. I did do my investigation about courgette, and I'm thinking, oh my god, it has a lot of benefits, and I love the courgette. I use it in many different ways. Sometimes some people eat it raw in salads. They use it as a topping. They use it in many diverse ways, and it is all a very good way of making use of the courgette plant. So they come in various colors and sizes. I like the yellow and the green one. There are some that looks like marrow. I don't know how to describe marrow. The flower of the courgette plant is usually used in cooking as well, especially in Italian dishes. These are the ingredients I am going to use in my recipe today, and I have got them all written down in a list form. I'm also going to leave it in the description box below. You can always get the information and then use it to make your own courgette spaghetti. I really love the green courgette, and I love the yellow courgette as well. Well, I'll just say I am a fruit and veg person. So I'm going to cook the spaghetti. I'm using just about 5 to 6 sticks, not more than that, because I don't want too much carbohydrates in this food that I'm making. Besides, the courgette is very low in carbohydrates anyway. I'll start off with a bit of oil, then the onion, the tomatoes, and the garlic, and I'm going to stir fry that for a minute. This courgette cooks very quickly and very easy to make, and you will just enjoy it so much. Next is the courgette. I'm adding that in there, and I'm going to stir fry that as well, and it's looking very colorful. This courgette is a summer plant if you didn't know. So I've just added the spaghetti in there, and the rest is the spices. Not anything with MSG. No, I'm not adding any MSG in there, and that is looking good. I'm just drizzling a bit of lemon juice and then lemon zest in there. In the past, I have added honey or maple syrup in there, and that makes it extra delicious. This is it. Dinner is ready. Look at that. That looks good, isn't it? I'm going to serve this on a plate, and this is good for vegans or vegetarian, but I am going to serve it with a bit of meat on the side. Look at that. Sometimes you could also sprinkle it with a bit of cheese, and that is also going to be so delicious. I always do that anyway. So there we go. I have got a pork steak on the side, and I'm going to add my eye chili, which is quite hot. So I just sprinkle a little bit of the dry chili on top of it, and that gives it a very, very nice kick. Just feast your eyes for a bit. Dinner time, that smile on my face says it all. I really do enjoy my courgette spaghetti. I hope you're going to give this a go. This is a very, very healthy dish. And if you'd like to lose weight the natural way, you're welcome to join us on Facebook at Sister Eat Fit Lose. That is sister_eat fit lose. You join the group. We do offer Facebook live exercises. Sunday is the only day which is our rest day, and we do meal preps on that day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.